Children, hope you all understand the lesson. Eidgah. Come, let's go for the exercise. So in your classwork you have to write all the exercise, and then first topic Eidgah, unit 1 Eidgah prose, and then write the section 1 grocery. Dazzling, extremely bright. Dazzling means extremely bright, நல்ல பிரைட்டாக இருக்கிறது. Tattered, torn, கிழிஞ்சதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Suburbs, outskirtsனால் அந்த வெளியிலலாம் விண்டோஸ்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த creepers லைக் அது. Gaily, in bright colors, நல்ல பிரைட்டான கலர்ஸ். Write these 4 groceries under section 1, and then come to the next, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Finally the day had come. Here the day refers to the festival of Eid. Next, with their treasure the boys would buy toys and rubber balls. Next, third one, Hamid's friends are Mahmoud, Mohsin, Noore and Sami. Next one, if only her son were there, it would have been a different kind of Eid. What happened to her son? So her son had died. Who's her son? Yes, Hamid's father is her son. Next, Hamid was like one with the wings of his feet. This means he ran fast. So complete all these under section 1, and then come to section 2 glossary. Gaped, starred. Smack your lips, open and close lips noisily to show enjoyment. So when we are happy, we make some noise, no, yay, like that. So smack your lips, meaning open and close lips noisily to show enjoyment. And then realized, enjoyed or took pleasure in the taste. Work in pairs and answer the questions. There were many toys in the stall. 3 of Hamid's friends had bought some toys. Write the names of Hamid's friends in column A and toys they bought in column B. So Mahmoud bought a policeman toy with a red turban on his head and a gun on his shoulder. Mohsin bought water carrier. Noori bought lawyer toy. The next one, write the names of the toys against each picture. Shoulder, next one, washerman, holy man, water carrier, policeman, and last king. Okay children, next write the answer. I'll send it to you separately. Come to the next session 3. Tick the correct answer. Hamid thought that his grandma would be pleased if he bought a pair of tongs. அப்போ ஹேண்ட்மா வந்து ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எதுக்கு பேர் ஆஃப் டாங்ஸ் வாங்கினா? ஏன் அப்படின்னா அவங்க கிராண்ட்மா ரோட்டி செய்கிறப்பெல்லாம் கையில் தான் அந்த ஹாட் ரோட்டிஸை திருப்பி போடுறாங்க. ஸோ இவனுக்கு வந்து அவங்க கிராண்ட்மாவுக்கு பேர் ஆஃப் டாங்ஸ் வாங்கி கொடுத்தா இட் வில் பி ப்ளீஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நினைக்கிறேன். Hamid's heart sank because the price of the tongs was, ஏன் அவனோட மனசு கஷ்டமாச்சு? Because the price of the tongs were too high. My tongs are like a tiger among tongs. It means Hamid valued his toy. அவன் வந்து அவன் வாங்கின அந்த டாய் தான் ரொம்ப வேல்யூபிள்னு நினைக்கிறான். Because it will be very useful for his grandma. Hamid's granny scolded him for buying iron tongs. Then she understood that Hamid had bought it out of love and concern. முதல்ல அவங்க பாட்டி வந்து திட்டுறாங்க, எதுக்கு இது வாங்கினா, உனக்கு தேவையானது வாங்கியிருக்கலாம் இல்லைன்னு. But later he understood that அவுட் ஆஃப் லவ் அவன் ஏன் வாங்கினான், அவங்க மேலே இருக்கிற அன்புனாலையும் அக்கறையினாலையும் அவன் வந்து அந்த கிஃப்ட்டை வந்து அவங்களுக்கு வாங்கிட்டு வந்தான், டாயை அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நினச்சிக்கணும். Okay children, next answer the following. Next again glossary. Tongs, a tool used to hold hot things. So here we have a picture of tongs. This is tongs. Okay, next precious, valuable. Precious ன்னு அர்த்தம் ரொம்ப வேல்யூ ஆனதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Rich, unhappy, சந்தோஷமா இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது. Next answer the following. I will send to another video. Now rearrange the jumbled sentence and write them in the correct order. So here some 6 sentences are there. We have to arrange it according to the story. First I will read out. But Hamid bought a pair of tongs. Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. Hamid's friends bought different toys of their choice. Hamid proudly compared his toys with the brave tiger. Hamid had less money than his friends. Granny Amina was worried as he had go to the Eidgah alone. The first one is Granny Amina was worried as he had go to Eidgah alone. This is first one. Second one is Hamid had less money than his friends. Third one, Hamid friends bought different toys of their choice, but Hamid bought a pair of tongs. Fifth one, Hamid proudly compared his tongs with his brave tiger. And the last one, Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. Okay children, next to vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the help of the pictures. Picture clues. A pair of, what is it? Binocular. Yes, a pair of binocular. And then see, binocular. Next, I already told you that this is called tongs, a pair of tongs. Next one, you know, this is called cutting plier. So a pair of cutting plier. A pair of, you know very well, yes, trousers. A pair of, yes, good, gloves. Very good children. Next, it's a riddle form. We have to find who am I. Use a pair of. Using pair of, we put the correct answer. We wear this on our face to see better. Sometimes we have some eye problems, we can't able to see clearly, so we put, yes, very good children, as a pair of spectacles. Glass, another word for glass is spectacles. Next, we wear this on our ears. Girl children, you know very well, we wear this on in your eyes, ears. What is it? Yes, very good, stud. A pair of studs. We wear this on our face when it is sunny. A pair of coolers, isn't it? We cut things with, yes, already know, a pair of scissors. We wear this in our feet. A pair of slippers. Very good children, you all answered very well. Next, we go to next topic. Add a subtitle, prefix or suffix. Prefix means we have to add starting. Suffix means at the end of the word. Make new words. Some words are given here. Ship, hood, un, after, and less, full, meant, us. So here we have to add, here first child is here, we have to add suffix, hood, childhood. Wonderful. Here suffix, prefix we have to add afternoon. Countless, relationship, impatient, unhappy, excitement, dangerous, perfection. Next one, match the following and write in column C. So we have to have column A, B and C. In column A we have a cup full of, a bag full of, a spoon full of, a packet full of. In B we have money, sugar, coffee, silver. A cup of, very good, coffee. A bag full of silver. A spoon full of, very good children, sugar. A packet full of, very good, money. See, a cup of coffee, a bag full of silver, a spoonful of sugar, a packet full of money. Very good. Shall we pause on the next one? Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. The thieves came out. Here we have some clues: cupful, handful, spoonful, mouthful, pocketful, and bagful. The thieves came out of the house with a very good bag full of gold and silver. Next one, my mother throws a handful of grains for the parrots every day. கை நிறைய எடுத்து கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாங்களே அதான் கை நிறைய எடுத்து கிரெயின்ஸை வந்து பேரட்டுக்கு கொடுப்பாங்க. He took a mouthful of cake. வாய் ஃபுல்லாக போட்டு மவுத்ஃபுல் வாய் ஃபுல்லாக போட்டு சாப்பிட்றான்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல அதான் கேக், mouthful of cake. Ram takes a cupful of soup before food. John added a spoonful of sugar to the lemon juice. The child was happy with pocket full of chocolate. Yes, the child was happy with pocket full of chocolate. If you have a pocket full of chocolate, you are also very happy, isn't it, children? Next, that's all, children. Next we come to the listening part. Here in page number in your book, page number 167, we have some paragraph. Ask your parent to read that paragraph and listen carefully, then answer these questions. Okay, children. Next, speaking skills. We have to develop our speaking skills also. Talk about yourself using the clues given. You may start like this. When I was a little boy, I had a red cycle. If you instead of red bicycle, I had a red bicycle, you can use your own sentence. For example, when I was a little boy, I had a aeroplane toy, like that. Okay, children. On the first day of school, I was very excited. Like that, you can add your own words and speak and record it and send it to me, children. Okay, children, that's all. Now you have to write all the exercise and keep ready for submit. Ask your parent to come and get corrected, children. Thank you, children.